Hello, today we will guide you through how to sync Zoom with Google Calendar. If you want your Zoom meetings and Google Calendar events to work together more smoothly, this setup can help streamline your scheduling. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the connection process directly inside your Zoom account settings so you can begin linking your calendar. Start by opening Zoom Home in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Zoom account before continuing, since the calendar connection will apply to that account's settings. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, look to the bottom left corner and click on My Account. This will take you into the area where your personal account preferences and integrations are managed. From there, click on Settings. This section contains the options that control how Zoom works with other tools, including email and calendar services. If you don't immediately see the option you need, give the page a moment to load fully. Inside Settings, find and click Mail and Calendar. This is where Zoom lets you manage calendar connections and related preferences. Opening this section brings you to the area used for linking external calendar providers like Google Calendar. Next, click Edit. This opens the setup options so you can choose what you'd like to connect and update the configuration for your account. At this point, check the Calendar option. This tells Zoom that you want to enable calendar syncing as part of the integration. Be careful to select the correct option before moving forward, especially if you see both mail and calendar choices. After that, click Next and follow the on-screen procedure. Zoom will guide you through the remaining connection steps, which may include signing into your Google account and reviewing the permissions required to allow the sync. Read each prompt carefully so you know what access is being granted and can confirm the correct account is being connected. Once you complete the on-screen process, the sync setup should be in place. If anything doesn't seem to work right away, try refreshing the page or reopening your Zoom settings to confirm the connection was saved properly. That's all it takes to start syncing Zoom with Google Calendar through your Zoom account settings. After setup, it should be easier to coordinate meetings and keep your schedule organized across both platforms.